Right, tēnā koutou katoa. Today I want to share with you the development of on-site testing capabilities for the presence of cyanotoxins in Whakakī Lake to enable local hapu to make decisions on mahinga kai food safety. This is a Vision Mataranga Capability Fund led by the Food Safety Centre and Whakakī Lake Trust. But before I dive into the details, tēnā ko, Trevor, for the fantastic overview of the project earlier. You left your big boots up here. So cyanobacteria are a diverse group of photosynthetic bacteria that live in aquatic and terrestrial environments worldwide. But some of the species actually have the ability to produce toxins, which leads to the concerns about their impacts on drinking water supplies and, in this case, contaminating food sources. Local iwi and hapu have been linked to this lake for centuries, and they rely on their taonga species, the tuna, or eels, for sustenance. During harmful algal blooms, tuna can accumulate these toxins, which actually put people at risk. So when it comes to ensuring food safety decision-making, testing and knowledge of what the results actually mean is key. So to enable on-site testing at Whakakī, we assessed a rapid test kit which was designed for detecting microcystins and nodularins in drinking water, but we wanted to see if this kit could be used with lake water samples. The ultimate goal was that we'd be able to provide the community potentially with an early warning system, letting them know that toxins are accumulating in their highly valued tuna in real time. So for on-site testing to be undertaken at Whakakī Lake, we had to evaluate how community members could conveniently rupture these cyanobacteria cells to release these toxins into the water so that they could be detected by these test kits. If we have a look at the plot on the top left-hand corner, it was found that freezing and thawing the samples was enough to release these toxins. So woohoo, no fancy lab equipment needed here. And the results are in, folks. The rapid test worked with the lake water samples, but it does have its limitations. The sensitivity of the test is compromised by the dirty lake water matrix. So for the purpose of an early warning system, this test can be used as a presence-absence screening tool. In May this year, we travelled up to Whakakī and had a hui and training session with key members of the Whakakī Lake Trust. A key addition that we made to this test kit was to provide positive and negative control material so that hapu members performing the test had the confidence that it is performing correctly. So our next steps in the project are to understand toxin accumulation in the tuna, what is the concentration correlation with the lake water, and how useful these on-site test results are on mahinga kai food safety decision-making. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
Kia ora, Emillie. Thank you very much.